So our first thing was a visual inspection. As you can see, very, very dirty pit. This is important to keep clean at all times, and doing this annual maintenance is going to improve the longevity of this sump pump. So some of the stuff that you want to watch out for on the bottom of your pit is mud, soot, and soil. And there's a lot of pebbles and debris that can wind up in your sump pit, which will get caught in your sump pump and will drastically reduce the lifespan of your pump. So the first thing is we're going to engage the float device to activate the pump. Everything worked as it should. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give it an actual stress test. So we're going to dump our 5-gallon bucket of water, and we're going to fill this pit all the way pretty much to the top of this float switch while unplugging the pumps. Okay, now we're ready to plug in our float and our pump.